For first-time operation, the cockpit system will boot into the startup guide process. Follow the steps to select language, region, Wi-Fi connection respectively. On the system activation page, open Hello Smart App, log in with Smart ID. Hit the button of Activate Vehicle. Scan QR code. Then adding license plate number, tapping Continue, and tapping Yes, Submit. Activation will be completed, then user will be able to see vehicle in-app. Once activated, on the account sign-in page, use the Hello Smart App to scan the QR code to log in. Alternatively, you can access the sign-in page by tapping the user icon at the top right of the screen, followed by the Sign In button. Use the Hello Smart App to scan the QR code to log in.